Hi, my name's Nancy Norris. I'm from Brantford, Ontario, Canada, and as you can tell, it's cold. Now, internet skills. I don't have a lot of internet skills, but I'm learning every day, and every day I learn something new. Now, the most embarrassing moment happened a long time ago. A long time ago on my honeymoon, I was on a cruise ship, and the first day out we had lifeboat drill. Now, that night, we didn't go to sleep very early, and we were woken up at 7 o'clock in the morning by all the ship's whistles going and the lifeboat drill going on, and we thought we were on fire. We gathered together our life jackets and as much clothing as we could and money and stuff. We ran up the stairs, got to the lifeboat deck, and found out we were the only ones with life jackets. Turned out that for crew only. And someone very kindly took a photograph of us and posted it on the notice board, and we had a very embarrassing trip because everyone knew our name after that. Now, my character strength would be the fact that I can make anyone feel comfortable. No matter how nervous they are, they're comfortable when they meet me. My character weakness would be the fact that I take on so much. I'm always doing so many things, but somehow they all get done. Now, the most important thing in my life right now is getting to be a netslinger. What else can there be? I believe I could be a netslinger. I have the dogged personality. I grab the opportunity and shake it and not let it go until it does what I want. Now, go to vote.netslingers.com and vote for me, Nancy Norris. Okay, now watch a little bit longer and you'll see some good dog stuff. You can visit me at my website, perfectpets.ca. Both of you sit. Say please. Are you a net slinger? You're not a net slinger. Arrow, spin. Arrow, twirl. Arrow, back up. Arrow, sit. Arrow, lie down. Good girl. Can you crawl towards me? Good girl. Sit and back up again. Good. Now sit and catch it. Way below. Way below. Back up. Does all this give you a headache? Oh, it does. It does give you a headache, doesn't it? Yes, it does. Have you got a cold? You have? What happens when you have a cold? Hey, what happens? What happens when you have a cold? Do you sneeze? You do!